What's up everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily install Google Meet on your smart TV. So before everything else, of course, we have to check compatibility. You have to make sure that your smart TV runs Android TV or supports app installations. Then next is head over to your Google Play on your smart TV. Then in the search bar, just start searching for Google Meet, then press enter, and from here just click on install. Here we're going to assume that we have an LG Smart TV. It should appear here when you choose a device. Just grant access permissions by clicking on install. So once Google Meet is done installing on your LG Smart TV, in our example, if you search it and try to search Google Meet, it should appear on your smart TV readily available to use, and you can now join your meetings. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!